In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an audio message in Flow Builder if you want to share voice content, recorded instructions, or any other audio file inside your Flow. The process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add an audio message so it plays correctly for your audience. To begin, open the flow you want to work on inside Flow Builder. Make sure you're in the correct flow before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple automations. Once you're inside the builder, take a moment to locate the part of the flow where you want the audio message to appear. This helps ensure the message is delivered at the right point in the user experience. Next, add an Instagram message node to your flow. This is the message type you'll use to send the audio content. After placing the node, open its message settings so you can choose the kind of content you want to send. You'll see different message element options available here. From those options, select audio. This tells the system that instead of sending plain text, an image, or another format, this message will contain an audio file. Choosing the correct message element is important because it determines how the content will be displayed and delivered. Once audio is selected, upload your MP3 file. Before uploading, make sure the file is in .mp3 format and that the size is under 25 megabytes. If your file is too large, it may not upload successfully, so it's a good idea to check that in advance. Keeping the audio clear, short, and easy to understand can also improve the experience for the person receiving it. After the file finishes uploading, review the message one more time to confirm everything looks correct. This is a useful habit whenever you're editing a flow because it helps you catch formatting or placement issues before the message goes live. When you're ready, click Publish. Publishing saves your update and makes the audio message active in the flow. At that point, your Instagram message node will be set up to deliver the uploaded audio file as intended. And that's it. Open your flow, add an Instagram message node, choose audio, upload your MP3 file under 25 megabytes, and publish your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.